How to free app space on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to free app space on Play Store easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Play Store, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile. Now after you click on your profile, go to manage apps and device option. Now right here you will find many options, and as you can see here is the free app space option. Now click on it, and now here you can free app space as you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.